Essex County in northern New Jersey, southwestern Essex County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. At 5:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Columbia, 18 miles northeast of Easton, moving a at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping-pong ball-sized hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations of hazards include Hackettstown, Blairstown, Hope, Andover, Great Meadows, Vienna, Alamucci, Cancer Valley, Grindle, Long Valley, Columbia, Beach Town, Red Lake, Portland, and Beattystown. This includes Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 3 and 24. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties: